Hi, welcome to the Self Worship School. Today I'm going to guide you through a short breathing practice, just very simple, just a practice for you to have here when you know that you need some stillness, but you want somebody to guide you through it. So this video is for you to help you relax, calm your nervous system. This will probably be really great after a walk or even after you get off work, just coming into your body, into oneness with yourself through your breath. All right, so before we dive in, I just want to say that I am Essence. I am a sensual yoga teacher, feminine energy healer, and creator of the popular quiz, Who's Your Self-Love Goddess Guide? Okay, you can go to selfworshipschool.com to take the quiz to find out which goddess archetype is guiding you on your path of self-love and self-discovery in this season of your life. All right. And before we dive in, if you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, go right ahead or like the video. I appreciate it. And we'll get started. So come into a comfortable seated position. And the breath we're going to do is just a simple diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. And so with this belly breathing, what we're going to do is when we inhale, we're going to let our belly come out. And then on the exhale, we're going to push our belly button towards the spine. So the inhale, the belly expands. Exhale, the belly button goes towards the spine. So I just want you to focus on that movement. We're going to breathe in through the nose and probably out through the mouth. That's what I tend to do, but if you want to breathe in and out through your nose or play with them, see which one feels the most relaxing to you, okay? So I'll guide you through that as well. So the first, we're going to just start with breathing in and out through our nose. So right now we're still breathing regularly, and let's close our eyes. Just connect to our inner world and take a regular breath in together. Deep breath in. And exhale to release. And this time now we're going to breathe in and let the belly expand outward. Exhale, belly button towards the spine. Inhale, belly button expands. Exhale, belly button to spine. And again, you're breathing in and out through your nose. Just staying connected to your breath and your inner world. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly button towards the spine. And now we're going to breathe in through the nose. So we're breathing in, belly expands. Exhale through the mouth, belly button towards the spine. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly button to the spine, breathing out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. And just continue breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly button towards the spine. And now just pausing to see, just notice which one felt the most calming to you, exhaling through the nose or the mouth. And then we'll finish the last minute or so just breathing in the way that feels most comfortable for you. So we're inhaling through the nose, belly expands. Exhale, belly button towards the spine, breathing in a way that feels good and relaxing to you. And we're just going to be here for about another minute, just breathing in silence. One last round of belly breathing. And now we'll just take a regular breath together. And exhale. Just bringing hands to your heart and thanking you for practicing with me, and thank yourself for showing up to practice and connect with yourself. All right. I will see you in the next video.